Alright, what's up YouTube? We're going to try to do this real quick. What I bring to the track. So, my drill bits are out right now. Got a couple of extensions. There you go. Some 1/2-inch sockets. Tire flip sockets. Oil filter wrench, or oil filter sockets. Set of 10 to 19, or 7 to 19, 3/8. Ratchets coming down here. We got wrenches up to 24. Pliers, cutters, electrical stuff, some pry bars. And here we got angle gauge, tape measures, height gauge, temp gun, tread depth, durometer, zip ties, butt connectors, heat shield, multimeter, air hose, tire gauge, hammer. And here's miscellaneous: sunflower seeds, racer tape, gloves, heat shield for your arm, punch, miscellaneous pens, stop leak, things like that, batteries, Milwaukee jawer, grinder, die grinder, all kinds of other pretty things, hammers. That drawer is heavy, so yeah. Then back here's my toe plates, and there's the pit cart, the dolly. Got a squeegee, and if you can look back there, the tripod light. The track canceled today, so that's going to hinder a lot of things. But yeah, it's pretty much all that I bring to the track. Just testing equipment. I mean, I bring my notebook and things like that, a fire extinguisher, and of course miscellaneous things like umbrella, tarps, things of that nature. But that's what's inside the pack out right now. Not a lot. We don't have the big pry bars in there. I'm still getting that fairly situated. So, working on it. So, there you guys go. If you like it, like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring the bell so you can get notified when I'm coming out with new content. Till then, this is Redline Gary. Keep it on the track.